Hello friends, welcome to BITA Academy. Today we are going to discuss about set data type in Python. First we will see what is set. Set is a collection of unordered items. List and tuple data type is an indexing based one, but set is an unordered item. So each and every element in a set, it must be a unique and a immutable data. Unique means it won't allow for any duplicate data. And set or mutable. So basically set we can able to add or remove any element from this set, which means we can able to modify the set. For example, we will create a set. How we can create a set? Creation of set. Set can be created by using a curly bracket. Okay, and we can able to separate the set element by using the comma separator. We can able to store the different types of input, integer, float, complex, or whatever the input we can able to store with the comma separator. And one more way we can able to create the set by using a set constructor. So set constructor means set with a round bracket, that is called the set constructor. So in that we can able to pass any sequence type of input. So in that example we are passing some list input. Next, what is a set element? So set contain any type of element, we know that. So in the type of element cannot be a member of set. So we should not store any mutable element as a set of the member. Okay, if you are trying to store any mutable element as a member of set, it will raise an error. Okay, each and every element of a set should be a immutable data. Okay, you cannot give any list, dictionary, set as a element of your set. Let's see with an example. So we'll create a set first by using a curly bracket method. So welcome. Delta 6, 1.89. So one more tuple. Okay, so tuple is a immutable data that we can able to store with a set element. So print of set one. It will be printed as it is. Okay. So set is an unordered collection so that the order is changed and it is printed. And we are storing this 567 for one more time. It will be printed only once. Look at this. We are getting only once. It is not printing for 2 times. And we go with the set constructor type. Set the round bracket. So inside of this, we are using with the list data type. So in that list data type, I want to store some different input. Okay. So now we want to print this set too. So in this set constructor also, our output order is changed. Okay. So here also, what we can do, we can able to give a duplicate element. So 55, 55, 55. So we have missed out the comma separator. Yeah. So this 55 is printed only one time. Okay. Here also the duplicate element is removed because it has a only unique data. Next one is set 3. So in set 3, what I'm going to do, I'm going to give some mutable element as a set data. Okay. So mutable element is what? That is either list or a set or dictionary. That is called a mutable element. So for example, I'm going to add some list data. So if I give like that, we will get an error message. Unhashable type list, because list is the mutable data. It cannot be a member of set. Okay. So each and every element of a set should be a immutable data. Okay. I hope all of you understand what is set data type. In next video, we will discuss what are the set inbuilt methods. Thank you guys.